Sudah ada. Good. Uh, Perlu ya. Good afternoon, everyone. Honorable lecturer and dear friends, welcome to my presentation. My name is Dendi Wiranata, and today I am glad to present my research paper entitled The Effect of Emotion Regulation and Concentration on Soccer Performance among Elementary School Students. Okay. Introduction, educational and sport context. One elementary school extracurricular soccer function as a physical and physical fitness. Second, ideally, it serves as an early stage laboratory for character building, teamwork, and mental resilience. Field and phenomenon at SDN Rancakole 04, one young athlete frequently experience emotional instability, showing high frustration or anger when losing or facing friction. Second, this volatile behavior triggers a direct domino effect, causing them to lose attentional focus and concentration during match. Suspected psychological factors, one emotion regulation, maturity in cognitive reversal makes early age athletes high vulnerable to competitive pressure. Attention focus, deteriorating emotion narrow the seal attention, leading to loose spatial awareness and misplaced passes. Modern challenge, current current youth coaching heavily oversized physical and technical drill while competently neglecting structure mental skill training. Introduction, theoretical basis, ERQ, Gross 2003, emotion regulation real on cognitive reversal to alter emotional responses under pressure. Attention, Nedivir, Nedivir, 109 to 9770C. Athlete performance depend on directing focus toward relevant stimuli while blocking distractor. TOPS. TOPS ini instrumen ya, instrumen untuk performance. Thomas et al. 199. Peak performance requires established mental strength, including emotion, control, and focus. Research gap and novelty. Previous studies mostly focus on adolescent athletes, university student, professional athlete, or formal club. Studies examine elementary student in voluntary recreational school based soccer extracurricular setting. This study responds to gap by combining emotion regulation and concentration as predictors of youth performance. Research objective to examine the influence of emotion regulation and concentration, but partially and simultaneously on student performance in soccer extracurricular activities at SDN Rancakole 0.05. X1, emotion regulation. X2, concentration. Y, soccer student performance. Model X1 plus X2 sama dengan Y. Okay. Method. Research design. Quantitative research method with correlational design. Participant and sampling 30 upper grade student, the egg 10 sampai until 12 years in the soccer extracurricular program at SDN Rancakole 05. Select the 004. Selected using a purposive sampling technique. Data analysis, standard parametric prerequisite test, normality, and linearity, followed by multiple linear regression analysis using statistical software. Research instrument. Emotion regulation X1, emotion regulation questionnaire ERQ. Second, concentration X2, focus subscale of the Ottawa Mental Skill Assessment Tool 3, OMSAT. Third, soccer performance Y, test of performance strategies TOPS. Result and discussion. Based on the ANOVA table above, the model fit test, simultaneous test yielded a calculated F value 2321.539 with a significancy level of less than 0.01. Since this significancy value is well below the 0.05 threshold, 0.01 is smaller than 0.05. The third hypothesis, H3, is accepted. This empirically demonstrates that variational regulation and concentration have a significant simultaneous effect on soccer performance of students at SDN Rancakole 05. Okay, coefficient uji T based on the coefficient table above the partial hypothesis. Key findings. First, the